Pretty whack. You already know who I am. Doesn't matter. John Cena, Rock, Ultimate Truth. The Rock and John Cena won. Nothing big happened at the end. I'm kind of shocked nothing big happened.
Cena got his ass whooped.
Cena did get whooped a lot by The Miz and R-Truth for a long time.
And notice that The Rock didn't even really get touched like that.
Good point. The Rock didn't even get hit that bad. How about you, sir?
He's The Rock, though. He's The Rock.
It's The Rock. Compared to John Cena, like, the nigga's a true toy. I mean, you know, my prediction was right about the outcome of the match. He rock bottomed his ass pretty hard when that nigga kept rolling like a tumbleweed or some shit. But hold on.
Yeah. Man.
The match was pathetic.
It wasn't pathetic.
Yes, it was.
It was not pathetic, cuz.
It was a whole 20 minutes dedicated to John Cena's ass whooping.
And that's fine. That's probably what they want to happen. Come on. How about you?
What? I don't know, cuz.
The match sucked to you, cuz?
No, it was okay.
It's okay?
It was okay.
Survivor Series was alright.
Shit.
The Rock made it good. He still got it. Everybody thought he wouldn't be able to wrestle good. He still got it. Y'all saw it.
Man, it took... Okay.
But it was a tag team match, so you couldn't really see all he has. But the things he did was still good.
True. I give him that one, but come on now. It's The Rock. He don't have to go on tour with them. He probably got like a little ring in the basement.
Freddie went crazy over that. Freddie went crazy.
All right, we're done here.